How to add location on Facebook story. So let me show you step by step. After you open your Facebook, tap on create story button. After you come to this option, now select the story, the picture that you want to add to your story. So I'll go with this one. So after you just select your picture like this now, so if you want to add the location, all you have to do now, tap on this sticker button at the top right side, sticker. After you select the sticker, now tap on this location button, this one. After you select the location, so now here it will give you the suggestion of different location, but you can go ahead now and type a specific location that you want to add in your story. Let's say I want to add like, so after I select my location like this, I'll just tap on the location. So your location will be appeared like this now. Now you can resize it. You can use your hand to resize the location. So you can resize the location and you can just place it at anywhere you want to place it. After you finish all this, now you can tap on this send button. From there, your story has been added with a specific location. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.